Think tidy homes are powered by endless motivation? Not even close. It's these sneaky tricks that nobody talks about. And today, I'm spilling the top secrets that make it look effortless even when you're dragging. Be sure to stick around to the end because I have a bonus that you're going to want to use super strategically, or you might actually end up regretting it. First up, hide cleaning in other spots. What I mean by this is make sure that you clean while you're actually doing something else. For example, if you're brushing your teeth, be sure to wipe the counter and or the mirrors while you're already doing it. That way, you're tricking yourself because you're not actually technically cleaning. Well, not primarily, of course, but you're doing something that you normally do and hiding cleaning in it. If you drink coffee or tea while your coffee brews, you can unload the dishwasher, then pick up toys while waiting for the food, racing against your children. There are countless ways to do this. Think about the things you already naturally do and what kind of cleaning tasks you can hide behind these. I mean, it's practically zero effort because you're already standing there anyway. So if something takes less than 2 minutes to do, the new rule is don't put it on your to-do list. Do it now. You're not allowed to think about it. Just do it. In fact, if you're thinking about it right now, stop, okay? Just go and do the task. It'll take less than 2 minutes. It'll be off your to-do list. It'll be done. Your home will be tidier because of it, and you don't have to think about it later. The guilt of leaving it alone will bug you more than handling it, so just handle it. Like, that's the new rule. Like, make it a rule for yourself. Write it down if you have to, but that's it. That's a new rule. No ifs, ands, or buts. Less than 2 minutes, just do it. Okay. I'll give you a little cheat. If 2 minutes is too much, then if it takes less than 30 seconds, you must do it. If you want to make it even more of a no-brainer, it's either you do the things that takes less than 2 minutes to do right now, or you go deep clean your bathroom. Choose one. Next, bribe yourself. No, seriously, bribe yourself. If there's something that you're procrastinating on cleaning or doing, bribe yourself. If you want to watch a show, if you want to read a book, sure, you can do it. Once this is done, when you bribe yourself, you literally don't need motivation because you're looking forward to that reward. So you'll just get up and do it because you want the book, because you want the show, you want to see the YouTube video, whatever you want to do, whatever it is that you want to do, bribe yourself. There's nothing wrong with doing that. This totally hacks the system because you don't need to rely on motivation to get yourself to do something. If the reward is greater and more fun, you will naturally just do it. But speaking of procrastination, the next top secret thing you can do to have a tidy home with no motivation is procrastinate. Wisely, of course. If you don't want to clean your kitchen, you make yourself do it by procrastinating on something you dread even more, like paperwork, emails, or decluttering the whole entire basement. Just think about something that you would rather never do, and then suddenly cleaning the kitchen will seem more appealing. Now, this doesn't mean you have to torture yourself. Absolutely not, because if it's fun, it'll surely get done. So by all means, turn up the upbeat music, play the fun podcast, a motivating YouTube video, whatever it takes. But just thinking about that dreaded task that you absolutely don't want to do will surely get you to do this one. No motivation required. It's basically like reverse psychology on yourself, and it totally works. Next, fake deadlines like your life depends on it. Be sure to set these deadlines. The kitchen has to be done by 2 p.m. today. By 7 a.m. tomorrow, there can be absolutely no clutter on the counter. You know your schedule and your life and what makes sense the most. But taking these basic principles of deadlines, make a deadline a hard stop. Write it in your calendar if you have to. Tell your children, tell your spouse, tell your friends, whoever it is that you want to tell about these deadlines. And most of all, tell yourself, because you're not going to want to let yourself down. So you write these down on a calendar and you make sure that they're done. Listen, homemaking is a job just like any other job. And when I used to work outside the home, there was no way that I could tell my employer, I didn't meet the deadline today. So why would we skimp on ourselves and our loved ones and the home that God has blessed us with? Ain't no way. Just saying. Listen, you can fake something urgent or actually make it happen. Have somebody FaceTime you at exactly 3 p.m. in front of your dining room if that's what it's going to have to take. But racing against the clock definitely tricks your brain out of paralysis without the need for motivation. Okay, I'm going to give you the bonus one now, but be very, very careful how you use this. I don't want this to become the next habit that we use to procrastinate our cleaning. So if you don't think that you can use this sparingly, I release you. Feel free. I'll see you in the next one. But this one is top secret and it super works if you use it sparingly. Have one or two maximum very small clutter bins or baskets that you can use to put clutter in while life is lifing. As moms of littles, I have discovered that this is actually pretty practical and useful because a lot of times you cannot just leave your littles to go do what you have to do. Therefore, the clutter basket can work in your season in life. However, I need you to be very careful and make a promise to yourself and to me that you will clear it out every other day in 5 minutes. Don't leave it there to pile up. Don't even do it once a week. Every day or every other day, 5 minutes, please clear it out. You don't want this to become the thing that makes our home chaotic again, okay? If you try it and if you see you're not cleaning it every other day, come back to this video and write me in the comments about how you broke your promise. No, I'm totally kidding. But if you see that it's not working and every other day, eliminate these baskets. Feel free. Forget I even said anything and just carry on. But this tip I share with you because it super works if used strategically and appropriately. But if you want to know even more simple homemaking secrets that no one talks about, check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.